YouTube channel. My name is Rihanna, aka Beauty in Color, and do you notice I look a little different today? Alright, so right now I'm wearing mascara and actually eyeliner on my eyebrows. I'm gonna have to work on like trying to perfect this because I really like the way that came out on my eyebrows. So a few months ago, or a few weeks ago, I was sent my first Influencer VoxBox. And in this VoxBox, I got some great vegan makeup products. I'm not a vegan, but I do like using vegan products. So I got the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is in black. And I got the tattoo liner in brown. This is actually currently on my eyebrows. And I have this mascara, volumizing mascara. It is long wear, extreme volume. This is how my lashes look with them on. If you've seen other videos, you know my eyes don't usually look like this. And I'm actually like really impressed. Like I love the way this mascara did. I'm just gonna show you the packaging. This is in Trooper, the color Trooper Black. I am gonna come back a little later and show you guys like how I did this, probably on a different day since I already put it on. But I love this packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. It says, go big or go home. And I love that. This is the wand. So I'm gonna come back a little later, probably tomorrow, and do the same look. And I'm gonna show you all how I did it on camera. All right, so yesterday I told you all I would show you how I applied my Kat Von D products. So I am gonna actually start by doing a little bit of my eyebrows using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color of Mad Max Brown. Now this is actually eyeliner, but I don't really use brown eyeliner, so I was like, maybe I could use it for my eyebrows. This is the packaging. It's really cute. So I'm just gonna I'm trying to do it like a microblading or something. Just little strokes. So like, to most people it doesn't look like anything, but to me, like you can see the difference. So I like it for this purpose. See, like, I made like a little bit of a difference. So I really like that. So I'll probably be using that on my eyebrows from now on. Oh, see that? I messed up. And one thing about this liner, like it stays on. I went for a one mile run yesterday, and it was still on all night. Woke up this morning because I forgot to take it off, and it was still on. So, I mean, it does come off easily when you use a product, but it definitely stays on. So now I'm gonna use this Go Big or Go Home, again, Kat Von D mascara. I love the way this package looks, I don't know. You can see my eyelashes now. I'm just gonna enhance them. And you can see the difference in this eye versus this eye. I'm a very simple person. Like, I really don't even wear makeup. I mean, it was like a while ago. I was like really into it for like a few months. Like at least 2 years ago. Like in high school, I didn't wear anything but eyeliner and mascara. That honestly wasn't allowed. And that's my boyfriend, if you can hear him. He's pretty loud. But I love that, like, a little mascara and a little bit of brows. Sometimes it's really all you need. Alright, so that is my finished look. It's really simple. I mean, I'm a very simple person, so hope you guys like this little review on the Kat Von D products. Again, I got these from Influencer in my first ever VoxBox. And again, I received the tattoo liner, the black one, and then the brown one. And then I received the Go Big or Go Home mascara. All of these products are actually vegan and cruelty-free. So I thought that was pretty cool. So if you are interested in vegan products, check this product out. Again, I got these from Influencer. Thank you, Influencer, for sending me my first VoxBox.